Adobe has recently introduced new terms and conditions for its Photoshop software, which have raised concerns among its users about data privacy and content ownership. The updated terms allowed Adobe to access your content through both automated and manual methods. And what is even worse, this might use your images and photos to train their AI models. This made many people angry, and they are looking to find alternatives to Adobe software. So, let me help you find an alternative to Photoshop. First, let's talk about a program called GIMP. It stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. GIMP has been around since 1995, and it has lots of features just like Photoshop. You can do things like work with layers, use masks, select parts of an image, fill with gradients, and much more. GIMP looks similar to Photoshop too. It has floating panels and colors that are familiar to Photoshop users. This makes it easier to switch from Photoshop to GIMP. Plus, GIMP is completely free. You don't have to pay anything to use it. Next up is Photopea. This one is special because you don't need to download anything. You can use it right in your web browser, just like when you are looking at websites. Photopea looks like a Photoshop, so if you have seen Photoshop before, you might feel right at home. This is also a reason why I have started making Photopea tutorials on my second channel, alongside Photoshop and Canva tutorials. Great about Photopea is that there is no need to download or install anything because it works in your web browser. This tool works just like Photoshop. It has tools like brushes, shapes, text effects, retouching, and much more. You can also work with layers and masks too. Photopea even supports Photoshop PSD files, and again, the layout and menus look just like Photoshop. So if you are used to Photoshop, Photopea will feel familiar. As I already mentioned, Photopea is free to use, but there are ads. If you pay $5 per month, you can remove the ads. And with the paid plan, you also get more undo steps and different AI image tools. Now, let's talk about Paint.net. This one is for people who use Windows computers. It is another free option that has been around for a long time. Paint.net is great if you are just starting out with photo editing. It's not as complicated as some other programs, which makes it easier to learn. With Paint.net, you can do things like add effects to your photos, draw on them, or even create your own pictures from scratch. The best part is that if you make a mistake, you can also undo it and try again. This editor, however, is far from complex editing tools. It's designed for beginners. Pixlr Editor is another web app for photo editing, and like Photopea, you can use it right in your web browser. Pixlr Editor is great for quick edits when you don't have much time. You can use Pixlr Editor to make your selfie look even better, add fun filters to your vacation photos, or even create cool graphics for social media. It's free to use, but like Photopea, you will see some ads unless you pay a small fee. If you like to draw and paint, you might love Krita. It's a program that's great for both photo editing and creating digital art. Imagine being able to draw right on your computer screen. With Krita, you can do just that. Krita is completely free and has lots of cool brushes and tools to play with. You can use it to touch on your photos, but you can also use it to create brand new pictures. Krita has a nice, intuitive interface. What's even better is that this tool runs quickly without slowing you down. You have also the option to customize the layout and controls. Best of all, Krita is completely free. Last but not least, let's talk about Affinity Photo. This one isn't free, but you only have to pay for it once. After that, it's yours to keep forever. Affinity Photo can do almost everything Photoshop can do, but it costs much less. Affinity Photo is a good choice if you want to get really serious about photo editing. It has lots of advanced tools that can help you make your photos look professional. But remember, you don't need fancy tools to make great pictures. The most important thing is to have fun and be creative. The only issue with Affinity Photo is that Serif, its parent company, has been recently acquired by Canva. So we will see how long it takes to change the one-time payment model into monthly subscription. So, those are some top alternatives to Photoshop. You don't have to pay a monthly fee to get great photo editing software. Many of these programs are totally free. Others have a small one-time cost. So, whether you want to free software, web apps, or something for Windows, there is an option for you. So, I hope this short video gives you some interesting ideas. And if you like content like this, subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest videos.